Hi, everybody. I'm still out sick. I'm still getting over what's ailing me. So, here's your video for today. You're going to need your notebook and you're going to work in Nearpod. You're going to earn a grade based on how much of this work you complete and how thoroughly you complete it. Here's the plan. The first slide will talk about what it means for something to be conserved within a system. You'll want to read that, maybe make a note on it so you can refer back to it. And I'll show you some examples of momentum, one with some cars crashing, one with something called a Newton's cradle, and that's something really cool that you can try at recess called a Galileo's cannon. We'll wrap up by reading some more about momentum, and I'm going to ask you to come up with your own example of how momentum is conserved or how you can see it in your life. And hopefully I'll be back tomorrow. I'll be feeling better and we can do some of this in person and continue wrapping our heads around these ideas.